If you have a keychain on the key fob, you don't necessarily have to take it off. There's a little attachment there for the keychain, and there's a button just below that, right in here. You just press that in pretty good ways. You have to really kind of press it in and pull out on this side piece right here at the same time. And it'll kind of detach like this. And once you get it like this, you just basically just pull harder and it'll detach. And you can kind of set that down. So now the physical key is located here. You can take that out if you want to. You just kind of pry up like this, and then you can unhook it. But we don't need to take that out to replace the battery. So the battery is actually located in this little spot right here. You see right there. It even tells you what battery it is and stuff right here. But to get it out, it's in this little caddy. And so basically just kind of pull out. You can use a screwdriver or tweezers or whatever to pry it if you need to. But basically just kind of pull out on it like that. Just kind of pull it out, and it's on this, the battery's on this little caddy right there. And you see that it comes out of this little spot. Go ahead and set this down. And you can see it's kind of in this little spot right here. And to get it out, you just basically lift up like so. And it's a CR2032 battery. And all the numbers and letters go down onto the caddy. You can see right there. Has a little bit of information. Just kind of put it back like that. Press it down flat. It's good to not put so many fingerprints on it or whatever. And then when you put it back in, you just put it in like so. And if you try to put it in this way, it's not really gonna work because it has to be a certain way. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's these little posts here, and they kind of line up with these little spots. So you just make sure you're putting it in the right way, because it'll go in little ways, but if it doesn't go all the way down, then it's not going to work. All right, so you can see that little spot lines up. Everything lines up there. So you can go ahead and press it the rest of the way in and make sure that's flush right there. And if you need to put the physical key back in, you go ahead and do that. Now you take this side piece, and basically you just kind of put it like that. And there's no really wrong way to do it. It'll just kind of snap in place like so. You just kind of push it, and then it'll make sure it's flush all the way here, and then you're all done. So it's fairly simple to change the battery. You just got to know the procedure. It's a pretty nice looking key.